Just arrived in the hotel, about to settle in, and the room is quite amazing, so I wanted to show you guys. Check it out. Good morning. It's the first day of 3D Basecamp / Trimble Dimensions, and I'm about to head out. Quite a nice view, and also the room. Anyways, let's go.
Find all the clues, win prizes.
I'll get that started. Alright, it's been a long day of session, as well as lots of conversation and cool things to look around, because this time it is combined between Basecamp and Trimble Dimensions. It was a lot bigger, a lot more people, and a lot more things to look at, so I really haven't completed any of the things just yet. I still have 3 more days to go. So yeah, just closing off my first day, and I had a presentation for Revit and SketchUp interoperability, or parallel universe is what I kind of called it, and it was quite successful. Tom Joyce, it was a pleasure to do a co-presentation with you, and frankly I think it went quite well. Yeah, today was quite a meaningful day, and it's the end of day 1. Good morning, it's day 2, and I'm about to head out for more sessions and conversations, but before that, how's the view? First of all, I gotta have breakfast, and I'm going to prepare for my presentations. There are some slides that needs a little bit of changing. I got a topic on conceptual rendering and also tips and tricks to render. So I'll be covering those aspects today, and it's looking like already quite a full day. So let's go. Hi. Thank you very much. So I just had 2 sessions back to back. I think the first one was a bit more slower pace, and I think I completed just in time for everything. Whereas the second one, I just had a long list of all the things that I wanted to say and all the extensions for SketchUp that I had, and I wasn't able to cover it all. So perhaps if I do a session in later Basecamp, I'm gonna have to condense all of that down into more manageable list so that I can actually cover them. But if any of you are wanting to see all the entire tips and tricks of SketchUp for rendering, then do check out my podcast series that I've done in the past. There were, I think, 2-parted, and it went over multiple different aspects of extensions and all the native tips and tricks as well. So do check that out. But I'm here back in the hotel because I wanted to drop off my heavy bag and just carry my camera only to the night party for SketchUp Basecamp. So I think there's gonna be a lot of fun aspects to it. So let's go see it. Good morning. Now it is a 3rd day of Basecamp, and I've got something to unbag today because I just received this bag last night. I was quite tired and I didn't get to shoot this, so let's go ahead and unbag this one. So overall the bag is quite nice. We've got a SketchUp logo here, and let's see what kind of goodies that they have in here. They always give out such a cool merch and stickers for Basecamp and SketchUp in general. Not sure what this is. Be a jacket? Pillow? No idea. But I have limited room inside of my luggage, so I don't want to risk increasing the volume before I arrive home, so I'm gonna keep it this way and find out perhaps later. Scarf, bandana of some kind. Not really a bandana person since bandana never fits my head, my oversized head. And a box of some kind, and I cannot open it. And here is a SketchUp mug, ceramic mug, a good cup to drink your coffee out of as you SketchUp away. And we've got 2 little things, a Basecamp sticker and a pen from Mindsight Studios, Profile Builder 4 with a coupon code. Cool. Well, yeah, so I'm about to head out for more sessions of Basecamp, but also I'm gonna be going to the offsite, which is supposedly a lot of fun. I don't know all the details, but we'll find out, and I'll capture that process. So see you there. Okay, heading back to the room to get my bag dropped off and charge up the phone a little bit. But there's another party going on tonight, so I'll go there and grab a bite and have some more fun conversation. Okay, so the local time is 10:49 or 10:50, I guess. Yeah, there was a wild party with a lot of people. I just kind of sat in the back and just kind of enjoyed the vibe because there was a pretty good music of 80s. Not that I knew a lot of them, but it was pretty good. I enjoyed the concert too and the vibe. Pretty good party that Trimble Dimensions has thrown today, and I'm quite tired, so I think I'm gonna wash and get to sleep. See you tomorrow. Good morning. We have approached the final day of Basecamp, and my voice is a bit gone because I've been shouting last night. Hopefully it gets a little bit better throughout the day. I'm having a bit of a slower morning because I need to pack things up, check out, and go back to the conference. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. These are the things that I have collected as well as things that I have brought that I need to somehow get back into my bag. And here's another merch from SketchUp that I would like to take. And this is how I usually work in hotel rooms. I have an ironing board close to the bed so that I can actually work off of the bed. I mean, ironing board is always there in the room, so that's what I typically utilize. Okay, I might have packed it a tad bit too much, but I managed to put everything in the bag that I needed to. But yeah, I'm ready to check out. Let's go.